Most people assume cash advance apps will instantly give them hundreds of dollars, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting a fixed amount every time. In this video, we are breaking down the Klover in 2026 and answering the real question: how much can you actually get, and what decides your limit? Let's get straight to the point. Klover cash advances are usually small, short-term amounts designed to help you cover expenses until your next paycheck. But the exact amount is not fixed. It changes based on your financial behavior. Now here's the immediate truth. Most users typically see advances ranging from small emergency amounts up to a few $100s. But that number can be higher or lower depending on your profile. But here's the problem most people don't understand. Klover does not just give money randomly. It looks at your income stability, your bank account activity, and how often you get paid. If your deposits are consistent, your limit is usually higher. If your income is irregular, your limit may start very low. For example, imagine Alex works a regular job with steady bi-weekly pay. Klover sees predictable income and may offer him a higher advance limit. Now compare that to Jake, who works freelance gigs with uneven deposits. Jake may see a smaller limit or slower approval. Now let's break down what actually affects your limit. First, income consistency matters the most. Regular direct deposits help build trust in the system. Second, account activity matters. If your bank account shows active spending and deposits, it gives a clearer financial picture. Third, usage history also plays a role. If you repay on time, your chances of better limits improve over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Klover also uses optional engagement features that can influence how much access you get over time. This means your activity inside the app may indirectly affect your experience. In a minute, I'll explain how to potentially increase your limit safely without breaking any rules. Let's talk about increasing your chances. First, make sure your paycheck is consistently deposited into the same bank account. Second, avoid overdrafts or negative balances when possible. Third, keep your financial activity stable so the app can clearly see your income flow. But here's something important you need to know. Even if you do everything right, Klover is not guaranteed to increase your limit significantly. It is designed for small financial gaps, not large funding needs. So the realistic expectation in 2026 is simple. Klover is best for small emergencies like gas, groceries, or minor bills. It is not a replacement for a loan or long-term credit solution. Here's the final takeaway. Your cash advance amount depends on income stability, banking activity, and repayment behavior. Most users will only see modest limits, but responsible usage can improve your chances over time. If you now understand how Klover determines your cash advance amount, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple financial app breakdowns.